Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg, and today I'm going to talk to you about a topic given to me by Rebecca Betts with Liberty Maids in Dayton, Ohio during her demo yesterday. And I'm happy to say she is now a client, but I asked her, what should I talk about in my videos? And she said, talk about something that will make us all feel better about the economic decline we're facing right now and how little our phones are ringing and how scared we all kind of are. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk to you about what we are all facing right now with the economy. It's funny because that topic never crossed my mind once. I indeed am starting a cleaning service now. You know that. Many of you know that. And never once did it cross my mind. And I got this idea 4 to 6 weeks ago that this is a bad time to be doing this because the economy is going into a recession. And I know that. I lost $8,000 on the market yesterday. But that shouldn't keep you from moving forward. There is someone out there today that's going to buy cleaning service, and you just need to make sure it's from you. You need to take this recession, not think about it, and proceed as if success is inevitable. Today, I want to talk to you about how cleaning services can not only survive, but actually thrive during periods of recession. And I'm not just talking theory here. At my age, with 37 years of experience in this industry, I've lived this a few times. As a matter of fact, I started my first cleaning service, the Upstairs Maid, in 1988, which was the center of the worst recession Austin really ever had, Texas ever had. We'd wake up in the morning and it would say, do you know who the news would say, do you know who your banker is today? Because banks were closing. It was horrible. I lived in the nice cul-de-sac, but 5 out of the 6 houses were HUD homes by the time we were 6 months into our business. It was terrifying. But you know what happened? We still sold 60 repeat clients in 60 days, our first 60 days in our business. I doubt that I'll do that with my new business. And they were recurring clients. Not because the economy was strong, it wasn't. It was because we were doing the right things. We were engaging with potential clients, getting on the phone, seeing them face to face. Because back then there was no internet. Fast forward to 2001, after the towers fell. Many cleaning services went from doing $1 million a year to $500,000. But during that same year, we added $100,000 to our revenue. Again, by focusing on the right things. And here I am today, starting a brand new cleaning service in the middle of yet another scary economic time. And I'm not worried even a little bit. Why? Because I know the truth. Somebody is buying cleaning services in my area today. And at the same time, businesses that aren't cleaning well, that aren't reliable, that aren't protecting their reputation and are struggling will probably go out of business, which will leave me less competitors. There are always customers who are willing to pay for quality, consistency, and trust. In 2001, I said my company was recession-proof to other people, and here's why I felt that way. I'm thinking we had about 650 repeat clients back then. Could look at the real statistics, but there were 754 when I ended, so I'm going to guess that. Repeat clients are addicted to cleaning. They don't just cancel because of the economy dips. They just let go of other expenses before they will ever give up their cleaning service, as long as they like their cleaning service. Think about it in COVID. It was your repeat client who sent you checks, even though they weren't being cleaned or didn't want you in their homes. But they wanted you to stay open so you'd be there when they got back. They didn't want to have to look for somebody else because they liked you. They were comfortable with you. You were part of the family, but they didn't let their cousins, aunts, and uncles in during that period of time either. But I do have to ask you, where were your one-time clients? Were they sending you checks for nothing? It's your repeat client that will keep you alive, keep you surviving, make you wealthy, and give you something to sell in the end. And that's why I believe so strongly in trainers, because the only way you're going to keep a repeat client is to consistently leave them with a totally clean home, no dirty baseboards, no fingerprints on door facings and frames, and make sure every time you clean their home from the first time forward, there is a familiar face in their home. So, after living through all that, here are the things that I think help you not only survive, but thrive during a period of recession. Number one, protect and deepen your relationships with your existing clients. Communicate more often. How about picking up the phone once in a while to that steady repeat client who always sends you a 5-star review and just saying, hey, I just wanted to personally thank you. Or the client who sends you no review. Call up and say, hey, we haven't heard from you in a long time. Is everything going okay? And like COVID, when they gave you money for nothing, become the cleaning company they just can't imagine losing. They'll do anything to keep you alive. 2, get more efficient to protect your profits. Follow a proven system. Recessions can be scary, but they don't kill well-run businesses. They expose the weak spots in the poorly run ones. The companies that survive are the ones that hold on to their best clients, run lean and efficient operations, and keep their message strong in front of the right people. I've been through this before, and I can tell you, if you focus on those 3 things, you won't just survive. You'll come out stronger than you ever have been before. If you need help getting your team trained the right way, efficiently and consistently, let's talk. That's exactly why I built Clean Smart Academy. And I'd love to help you recession-proof your cleaning business. Call me for a demo, 737-497-9100. Or go to cleansmartacademy.com and order the free trial and see for yourself the consistency that is prevalent in that training kit. So until next time, don't be scared, and happy trading.